Hello guys, happy new month to you all. We are back again with another episode. So let's get started. First of all, you resize your page. You know how to do that already, and this is the size I'm using for this tutorial. Okay, just accept it. Then we'll be doing a quick importation of the background we'll be using. Just click here, swipe down, and this is it. Accept it. Just click and drag it here. Then click here on your layer and lock it. Just disable your layer. Alright. Okay. So bring in another item. Just accept it. Okay, bring it here. And take it here later. Alright, now we need to blend this color so that it will suit the default color, which is the background we are using. So what you do, just click on it, swipe down, locate your color filter, and just change the saturation to -100, and that's all. Just accept it. Then you can now go back, lock it as well. Okay, so now let's go ahead and start the process. Just a 5 minutes video tutorial. So type your text, accept it. Just take it up somewhere there. I'll change the color. I'll be making use of this color. You can always get it from your color palette. Just scroll down here, you will get it from there. So that's it. Accept it. Create another text. Then edit it. Type in accept it, bring it here, separate a little bit. Okay, type in C. Okay, so accept it. Then you can now increase the font size. Okay, just take it here, accept it like that. Change the color, give it a gradient, just swipe down, take this is how you get your gradients color. Okay, so you accept it. All these gradients are default gradients, that is why I'm not stressing on them. Okay, so click here, swipe down as well, give it a gradient color of this. Just edit it. Take here, bring here, take here, accept it like this. Sorry, go back and edit it. Just add, give it a white. Accept it like this. Accept it. Okay, that bring you closer to it. Already, sorry, bring you already. Let's try and zoom in so that we can fix everything properly. Let's lock this, unlock this. Okay, and click import this. Accept it. So change the color to this as well. Just accept it. Okay. Then type in another text. Super growth. Accept it. And swipe down, give it another. Just accept it like this. Okay. So let's edit this. Accept it like this. So just increase like this. Let's fix it. We're almost done with the video. Alright, go back here, lock this. Reduce your little bit. So that's it. So import the remaining item, choose this, accept it, take it here, and the other one here, accept it as well. Alright, so that's all for now. So what you quickly do, let's group all this stuff together. Group together. I bring it down a little bit. Then let's quickly take a quote from here. So swipe down here, give it a margin and make use of this. So that is the end of the class. Okay, so feel free, ask any question, request for any tutorial, and we'll get it done for you. So see you guys in our next video tutorial. Bye.